Did you know church bells across Europe started ringing by themselves on November 1st, 1755? The mystery behind this phenomenon would change our understanding of earthquakes forever. An 8.5 magnitude earthquake had struck Lisbon, sending seismic waves through Earth's crust for 2,000 kilometers. The tremors were so powerful they triggered church bells in Stockholm, while 3 massive 20-meter tsunamis devastated Portugal's capital city. This catastrophe marked one of history's first documented cases of transcontinental seismic effects, revolutionizing our understanding of plate tectonics and earthquake propagation. The event killed up to 50,000 people and destroyed 85% of Lisbon's buildings. What other historical disasters have shaped our modern scientific knowledge? Share your thoughts below.